In this nice little box, and you're going to get this rosewood handle with traditional 5-blade shaver. You're also going to get a badger brush or shaving brush, and then you're going to get some handmade facial shaving soap. If you've never experienced a wet shave, go to your local barber shop if they do shaves and get one. It's absolutely amazing and relaxing, and you can have that at home. And that's why this is kind of a great kit, because it takes a little bit more work than just grabbing that tube and applying that just tube shaving cream, but it's really, really worth it. It is a great gift set from a company called Naked Armor. If you have, for that special man in your life, if you have upcoming graduation, Father's Day, Christmas, and you're looking for a great gift, I'm gonna recommend this kit.